Traveling down the road in a state of mind.
Yeah.
Let the good times roll.
Is that off the new CD?
Yeah.
Yeah, now I can see why there's so many videos on YouTube.
Why?
Cameras like this. And what they cost and how easy they are to use. I can only imagine what a smartphone would be like. Then you only got one thing you got to carry around. Can I cut across? It just has handbrakes, right? No gears?
No.
That's good. One adjustment at a time.
Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, that was Christmas Day, and this is the day after Christmas. Get a little bit different weather today. When I went to work this morning, there was flurries, and by the time I got 5 or 6 blocks from where I work, the roads didn't look too much different than this. Kind of had a whiteout on the way to work. It was, couldn't see probably 20 feet in front of my car because of all the snow. I don't know, they were calling for 2 inches an hour. I don't know if we got quite that, but roads are a little bit icy. I don't know if they're putting down calcium or what. Temperature's not too bad. It's, in the middle 20s. But just talked to my wife on the phone, and I guess my driveway pretty much looks like that. So it'll be interesting. Have a little session to getting the old snowblower fired up. I normally keep it in my workshop, but the workshop's a mess right now, so I gotta drag it out of the shed, get it warmed up. Yeah, we're moving along at a comfortable 30 miles an hour. Getting the crap beat out of me with all the ruts and the ice. Yeah, thought you guys would see what we're dealing with in middle western Ohio here. Yeah, I've been through here when it was scraping the bottom of my, I had a 3/4 ton Dodge truck, 2-wheel drive, and the snow and stuff was scraping the bottom when I was coming through here before, so it's not too bad right now. Other than I got good bumps on the road. It's not too bad right now, other than the fact I got pretty much bald tires on my little Escape here. So, talk to you guys later. Hope everybody's dealing with their weather pretty well. Talk to you later.